the phrases that we've utilized, we talked about stomp, forcefully, and push. Those are adjectives. We can't make a determination of the amount of force that is utilized.
Correct.
Two, when we look at the video is an interpretation of what happened.
Yes, sir, yes. I apologize.
You're fine, you're fine. We have charged him with assault and battery first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Assault and battery first has a definition of great bodily injury.
Yes, sir.
I have read you the definition of great bodily injury.
Yes, sir.
And you would agree with me, the definition I read you of great bodily injury does not include what could have occurred. Great bodily injury is what did occur.
Yes, sir.
And the definition of great bodily injury is which causes a substantial risk of death or which causes serious permanent disfigurement or protracted loss or impairment. It is the state of South Carolina's position, again, don't want to put words, so make sure when I ask this question, feel free to say you're wrong. It is the state of South Carolina's position that based upon the video, we believe that the actions of Mr. Dukes could have caused great bodily injury, correct?
And the fact that Officer Dukes offered or attempted to injure by placing his foot on the back of Mr. Gilliard's neck, and with the present ability to do so, and the injury was accomplished by means likely to produce death or great bodily injury by forcibly stomping on the victim's head and neck area.
There's that word again, forcefully.
And I state that strictly because that was in the warrant.
In the warrant, I understand.
Yep. So again, there's no scientific definition for stomping.
Completely.
So, but it's, so based on video presented to us, based on Mr. Duke's action, the decision was made to charge.
Let me do this, Agent, and this is a little odd, but this is for the judge and for me to understand. Understanding the video, I think we mentioned stomp. How high would the foot have been up?
You know, I don't, I'm not in a position to.
I feel like the captain would.
I appreciate your theatrics. I'm not in a position to discuss how high.
Okay, can we?
I don't have Mr. Gilliard's measurements. I don't have, you know, the scene was not processed by a crime scene. Obviously, we were notified a few days after the fact. So, you know, I don't have the dimensions of Mr. Gilliard's arms.
And I'm not trying to hold it, I'm just trying to make sure we get a perception of it. When was happening, was the gun drawn facing up or was the gun down? Or do you know?
I don't have the ability to answer that. I know that in viewing it from different angles, you know, Officer Dukes' body camera video his position was positioned in his chest area.
Yes, sir.
So you're not going to see everything, and the other body cameras were going to, you know, capture the incident. Will capture kind of the back of Officer Dukes. So I don't feel that I can truly answer that.
And that is fair. The spatial, we're going to have to review all of the videos because
Yes,
we're going to show different things. And so you would agree with me that it's really hard to make a proper determination from one video. We'll have to look at everything because of the spatial elements.
Yes, sir, that's accurate.
Is that a fair statement? That
Yes, sir.
one video may look like he's Pele kicking a field goal. That was a Pele kicking a penalty shot. That was really bad.
That was bad. Um,
Yeah, that was really bad. And another could just look as though it's somebody trying to control the scene and place a foot down. Can you agree with me there? Like different videos could show it in different ways?
I think in the general sense of answering your question, that different videos can capture different angles and maybe lead to different interpretations. But in this case, we felt that the footage that we reviewed clearly showed Officer Dukes placing his foot on the back of Mr. Gilliard, and the word again, stomping, in a forceful nature, causing Mr. Gilliard's head to strike the concrete and bounce back up. So when we made the decision to charge, you know, we weren't dealing with head injuries. I'm a police officer, not a doctor. So we had to be charged with what we felt was the most applicable statute that fit the actions that we witnessed on the video.